Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this video, I will explain about how to download and install Apache Tomcat 10.1 version on Windows 10 or 11, and I will show how to disable auto startup on Apache Tomcat 10.1 version. So let's get started. Open your favorite browser, type Tomcat latest version, open post link. So I will provide this link in description. So I'm saving here. Here downloads latest version is Tomcat 11. This is the alpha, so it is not recommended to use alpha version. So download Tomcat 10. I'm clicking Tomcat 10. Here you can click here which version. Okay, Tomcat 10.1 requires Java 11 or later. So like Java 11, 12, 13, 14 kind of. You can check compatibility. Go back here. We are decided to download Tomcat 10.1 version. So you can, this is the GIF, this is the tab. You can download Windows service install. It will give us .exe file. I'm clicking here exe file. Wait some time until it will download. It is successfully downloaded. Go to show in folder. It will appear download folder. See, it is there in download folder. Control X. Go to D drive. I am using every software. Every software I am placing on local drive D. If you want, you can paste. These are the software folder is there. These are my softwares. So I'm creating another folder, like new folder, Tomcat 10_1. No spaces between Tomcat and 10 and 1. No dots as well. Because sometimes it will not recognize if any spaces kind of. So right click, run as administrator. As it will appear on pop-up, say to as next. So agree. Here, select full. Select full. Next. Tomcat default port number 8080. Here, Windows service name. This next. You can, it is pointing to D. Java, it is automatically pick it up. So we need to select Java either 11, 12 like that. So I am using 17. Next, it is installation directory. It is showing C drive. So I am installing on D. So I am changing to D. Install. It is extracting. Wait some time. This process will be completed. On Apache Tomcat auto started. Here run Apache Tomcat. You can say finish. Close this one. See, Tomcat is up and running. If you want to access Tomcat, so open new tab. http://localhost 8080. It enter. It will appear Tomcat dashboard. Yeah, this is like that. So here, go to download and install Apache Tomcat 10.1 version on Windows 10 or 11. It is done. So I will show how to disable auto startup on Apache Tomcat 10.1 version. So search for the services. Yeah, services. Expand. Here Apache Tomcat, it is running, right? So we need to double click here. Startup type automatic is there, right? Manual. You can select manual and you can stop this server. So okay. Apply, okay. Close this. See? You can try to refresh it. We will get not found, unavailable kind of error. See home cannot reach this page. So if you want to start Apache Tomcat, go to D drive. Yeah, D drive, programming files, program files, Apache Software Foundation, Apache Tomcat, go to bin, see in, you can click on this Tomcat. It will appear one pop-up, say to yes, hello, hello. So it is server startup in milliseconds. So this is running on 8080. So Tomcat successfully started. Refresh it. Yeah, thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel.